I am out of here. Oh, hi. I bet you're wondering what I'm doing with this trowel. Well, I'm digging in the dirt because I'm looking for worms. The same sort of thing that happened to me in the episode about birds is happening now. I've dug a bunch of holes throughout the dirt and I still haven't found one worm yet. But it's okay, we'll find one. While we're taking a break from looking for worms, here's some fun facts. Worms are both male and female, so that means that they make both the egg and the sperm. I forget where I learned that. I think from a coloring book. Fun fact about worms, they're slimy. So that's where, ew, a worm comes from. Here's a fun fact. If a worm was here right now, I'd ask it, where are you? Soil's better to dig over here. Oh! I found a worm, but I killed it with the trowel. I stuck it right in the middle, cut it in half. Oh my God. I killed it. Wait! No. Don't film it. It's too gruesome. No. It's not fair. I have to bury it. You don't understand. This is the last straw. I killed one of God's creatures. I mean, I don't believe in God because there's absolutely no proof, but... Shh. I'm tiptoeing around from now on to reduce the risk of killing any more creatures. Okay? Derek! Please tiptoe. Please understand that I killed something very dear to me. It's not that I love that worm more than any other worm necessarily, but it's the fact that it was part of nature. If I could take back time and change what I did, then you know that I would. And I would correct the past. And I would make things right again.